Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here. We are going to do the He Is Risen floral today on a 5x7 box frame. So I'm going to go ahead and fuzz it and then stick it down. I am going to use some Storm chalk paste just to get this initial design and get all of the outline of the florals and everything. But then I'm going to dry it because we are going to do some fun watercolor painting. Now, I have these beautiful colors that I am going to use. I am going to put them all in a color tray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of water and mix them up with my stir stick so that they're like a watery color. Perfect, right? Go ahead and get your paint brushes, whatever size you need for these tiny little pieces. And we're going to go ahead and just start painting on the inside. It's just like paint by numbers, you guys, so easy. The less watery it is, the easier it is to kind of keep it in the lines, basically. So don't get a whole gob of it on your paintbrush. Just dip it in lightly and go. You can always add more, but it would be hard to take it away. So just keep going step by step on all the little pieces. See the greenery I put into the green. We have some of that pretty yellow, and we will eventually get into that peachy keen too. That's coming up. Awesome sauce. So, like the screen says, if you are not one of our club members yet, go ahead and comment club. I'll give you some information. Super easy. It'll just go right into your messenger inbox. Now I'm going to head into the peachy keen color. We're going to get all those little buds in that color. And look how fun. You guys, so easy. Very easy. We're going to make sure that this is dried, and then I'll put a little bit of embellishing on here. But honestly, you don't need to embellish. This is so pretty all on its own. I chose some fun little ribbons. I made a tiny little messy bow, and we're just going to attach it to the corner of the He Is Risen box frame up there. And remember, this is double-sided, so you can put something different on the back just for spring. I think you'll love it. Follow CreativeSarah for more ideas and inspiration.